Hello, this is Angela Payne, your professor for your Accounting 1 course. Today, we'd like to give you a quick overview of the closing process in accounting in Chapter 6. At the end of an accounting period, companies must close certain accounts. And when we say close accounts, that simply means that we will bring the account to a zero balance to get it ready for the next accounting period. Your book also mentions that you can use the acronym REID, R-E-I-D, to help you remember the closing process. R is for revenue accounts, E is for expense accounts, I is for income summary, and D is for drawing accounts. Recall that the drawing account is another word for it is withdrawals that are made by a business owner. Also keep in mind that only temporary accounts are closed or brought to a zero balance to prepare the accounts for the next fiscal year. Permanent accounts, such as cash, are carried forward from one year to the other. For example, if a company has $10,000 in the bank and there's no outstanding checks or what have you, then that $10,000 would be in there on January 1st, the next year. So those accounts are not closed. The permanent accounts are not closed, they're carried forward. Below are the 4 steps in the closing process. First, you close the revenue accounts, such as sales. The second step is to close expense accounts such as salary expense, rent expense. The third step is to close the income summary account, which is only used during the closing process. And step 4, you close the drawing account. Remember, another word for drawing is withdrawal. For example, when a business owner withdraws money from the company. One note that we want to mention is when you close an account, it means to bring the balance to a zero in that account. It does not mean to delete the account or do away with the account. Also, remember, to close an account, you must do the opposite of what is in the account. For example, to close a revenue account with a credit balance, you would do the opposite, which would be debit the account. Debit, of course, is the opposite of a credit balance. Another example, to close an expense account with a debit balance, you would credit the account. As you know, credit is the opposite of the debit balance. Again, this is just a quick overview of Chapter 6, one of the main concepts. We hope that this will be helpful, and we hope you have a great day.